Hey guys, so this is the Garcia Blended family. We are doing a collab video with the Most Crafty Nurse. So she is a very good friend of mine. She does all things crafts. She's going to do some labels for our homemade vanilla. So I will link her down in the bottom. She does all things glitter. She does Dollar Tree hauls. She does epoxy tumblers and coasters and pin holders and just all kinds of stuff. She's super talented. So go down to the bottom and check out her page. It's the Most Crafty Nurse. And again, I'll link that in and let's get started. We like to do something homemade. I have jams and jellies and things like that, pickles, jalapenos that we can give. But I wanted to do, got a baker back in the back making, ooh, dirty dishes, making blueberry muffins from scratch. But I wanted to do some homemade vanilla. I tried to do something different. We all use a lot of vanilla, so I thought what a fun way to do it. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so you need some vodka. The quality of the vodka doesn't really matter. This is just a vessel. You need a little spout to pour, and then we use these little glass jars. So these are 8-ounce glass jars that I have washed and or have air dried. These are 8 ounces. So for 8 ounces, I do 5 vanilla beans. The vanilla beans, so these I got on Amazon. The vanilla beans come in these pre-sealed packages. You want to get grade A. They're gonna actually taste the best in your vanilla. And these are, this brand is Madagascar. There's also Mexican. So we did one not even a week ago and it's already darkening up. We're gonna leave it for about 6 months, but this is Mexican vanilla bean. So this is for someone special. So other than that, all you have to do is open these and it'll tell you how many beans. So the beans come in like a pod. So you wanna get good quality beans. And like I said, the vodka is going to burn off when you bake. So these come with 10 beans in them. So all we're going to do is we're going to take a sharp knife and we are going to score the beans. And we're just going to put them in these containers. Now, the fun thing about this is like, you can make these every so often you can put some of these together. What is that? Not even counting. 3. Every so often, and let them sit for 6 months, and you can just keep, I think that's 5. You can just keep adding vodka to it, or you can have one that you use and one that maybe you don't, that's sitting and kind of getting ready. So vanilla, you know, is very expensive, especially for when it's not imitation vanilla. And if you bake at all, you use it. So we'll speed this up and get all of these filled. All you need to do is add vodka to this. So you've scored your beans. I have a little funnel here and you're just going to fill it up. Probably could use with a bigger funnel. And then so all you do is you put the top on then and you just once a week invert it a couple of times and set it off to the side. So we're gonna go and it'll be, fast forward a little bit and we'll fill all these bottles. overflowed one. Woo, what happens when you're not paying attention. So we'll just do this. We'll do this to all of them. Keep an eye on it. Now I'm out of vodka, so this one will need more. The only thing I can say is when you do make these, when you have these beans, you don't want them to like get really dry, and you also don't want them to mildew. So make sure they're stored in airtight containers like you saw me open for a reason. So just make sure when you open them, you're making enough vanilla to use them all. So like I said, I have, what is this, 2, 4, 6, 8. I need to get a small bottle to finish this off. But I might actually make a couple more. So just make sure, I've read about vodka though. So I will definitely go today and I will get some more just to fill this up. And I will save these and put these in somewhere on my shelf. And when my friend from The Most Crafty Nurse finishes the little labels, I'll put these on, and these will be a great little gift to our extended family. My husband has many, his aunt and his cousins and stuff. We like to get things that we make. So I just thought this would be something really cute, really easy, something I could start now. And, sometimes presents or gifts just take a little bit of effort. So we'll put those, and I will definitely put her little label on there. So go check out her site. I will link her video down in the description below, in The Most Crafty Nurse, and she will be making me some stickers to put on there, some custom made stickers. All right, everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining us.